Hey everyone, it's Your Name with Kalyan Digital, and let's talk email marketing. I know, you hear it everywhere, but there's a reason for that. It works. But here's the thing, just blasting out emails isn't going to cut it. You need a strategy, a plan, a way to make your emails stand out in a crowded inbox. That's what we're diving into today. We're talking about crafting email campaigns that don't just get opened, but get results. Whether you're just starting out or you've been in the game for a while, I guarantee you'll find some golden nuggets in here to take your email game to the next level. So grab your coffee, get comfy, and let's unlock the secrets to mastering email campaigns together. Before you even think about writing a single word, ask yourself, what's the point? Seriously, what do you want this email to achieve? Is it about driving sales, boosting website traffic, maybe getting people to sign up for a webinar? This isn't some abstract art project, it's a business tool. Having a clear goal isn't just some marketing jargon, it's the foundation. It impacts everything: the tone of your email, the design, the call to action, every single detail. Think of it like building a house. You wouldn't start without a blueprint, right? This is your blueprint for success. So, before hitting that send button, take a step back and really define what success looks like for this specific campaign. Trust me, that clarity will make all the difference. You could have the most amazing offer in the world, but if you're sending it to the wrong people, it's worthless. This is where understanding your audience comes in. I'm not talking about some vague idea of your target demographic. I'm talking about really getting into their heads. What are their pain points? What keeps them up at night? What solutions are they desperately searching for? Once you understand their needs, you can tailor your message to resonate with them on a personal level. Remember, the more targeted your message, the more effective it will be. It's like dating, you wouldn't use the same pickup line on everyone, would you? So do your homework, get to know your audience, and give them what they crave. Think of your subject line as the email's headline. It's the first thing people see, and in a sea of unread messages, it's your one shot at grabbing their attention. So make it count. Keep it concise, clear, and compelling. Think about using strong verbs, numbers, or even a touch of humor to pique their interest. But remember, no clickbait. Nothing is more frustrating than a misleading subject line. A/B testing is your best friend here. Try out different subject lines and see which ones get the most opens. It's all about finding what resonates best with your audience. Don't be afraid to experiment and refine until you find the winning formula. Okay, so you've got them to open your email. Now you've got to keep them engaged. No one wants to read a wall of text. Break up your content with headings, subheadings, bullet points, and visuals. Use clear, concise language and get to the point quickly. Remember, people are busy. Highlight the benefits of your product or service and how it solves their problems. Don't just tell them, show them. Use strong visuals, customer testimonials, and even videos to bring your message to life. Most importantly, inject your brand's personality into your writing. Be human, be relatable, be engaging. Make them feel like they're having a conversation with a friend, not reading a sales pitch. Remember how we talked about knowing your audience? Segmentation takes that to the next level. Instead of sending the same generic email to everyone, you divide your list into smaller, more specific groups based on demographics, behavior, or interests. This allows you to send highly targeted messages that are more likely to resonate. For example, you could send a special offer to customers who haven't purchased in a while, or a welcome series to new subscribers. Segmentation is the key to delivering personalized experiences that make your subscribers feel valued. It shows that you understand their needs and aren't just blasting out generic messages. Trust me, this level of personalization will drastically improve your open and click-through rates. Let's be real, everyone's glued to their phones these days. If your email doesn't look good on a mobile device, it's going straight to the trash bin. That's why mobile optimization is non-negotiable. Use a responsive design that automatically adjusts to different screen sizes. Keep your layout clean and simple with a single column structure that's easy to read on a small screen. Use large font sizes and buttons that are easy to tap with a thumb. And don't forget to test. Send yourself test emails to different devices and make sure everything looks good and functions properly. A little effort in mobile optimization can make a huge difference in your results. So there you have it, the keys to unlocking the power of email marketing. Remember, it's not just about sending emails, it's about sending the right emails to the right people at the right time. By following these tips, you'll be well on your way to creating email campaigns that don't just get opened, but get results. You'll see higher engagement, stronger customer relationships, and ultimately, a bigger impact on your bottom line. Thanks for joining me today. Now go out there and create some killer email campaigns. And don't forget to subscribe for more marketing insights and strategies. Until next time.